Have you seen all those Rosalia Boutique Charleston ads on your feed lately? I'll be honest, at first I was super tempted by the cute southern chic styles and local vibe, but before you hit add to cart, let me give you the real scoop. Here's the truth. Despite the Charleston branding, Rosalia Boutique has physical presence in South Carolina. In fact, the company is actually run out of the Netherlands. And your order? It's getting shipped straight from China. That's already a massive red flag, but it gets worse. Let's talk about that 30-day money-back guarantee. Sounds comforting, right? Well, the catch is, you'll be forced to pay return shipping, sometimes up to $140, just to send back a $30 top. Most people give up and eat the loss. And the clothes themselves? Yikes. Tons of customers report getting tissue-thin, low-quality knockoffs that look nothing like the dreamy AI-polished photos online. Oh, and if you spot a final sale, 40% off banner, that's their sneaky way to avoid any refunds according to their own fine print. If you really want that authentic Charleston boutique experience, here are a few real-deal shops to check out. The Boutique Charleston, a local legend for fine gifts and linens. Spartina 449, famous for their quality leather and linen. And Simply Charleston Boutique, a mom and daughter-owned gem with real customer service. Already ordered from Rosalia? Don't panic. Contact your credit card company right away and file a claim for fraud or not as described. A lot of shoppers have gotten their money back this way. Bottom line, don't let slick ads fool you. Always check for real storefronts, honest reviews, and safe payment policies before you buy.